I'm Amy Anderson and you're watching OptionRally TV. Take your position with OptionRally brokers. Click the link to my right and get more information on binary options with OptionRally. Now here's what's happening today, August 19th, 2013 in the market. Gold starts a new week on a positive note. Australian dollar rises ahead of a potentially big week. And lastly, Apple continues to grow in the east. Your profits are starting now. Coming off the best weekly performance in a month last week, gold futures again traded higher in the early part of Monday's Asian as traders continued to boost the yellow metal higher. Gold prices went up 4.55% last week, the strongest gain since the week ending July 12th. The precious metal has rebounded 16% since hitting its 34-month low on June 28th. Recent news stories have shown that there is a developing demand for gold in India. There also have been talks of possible mine strikes in South Africa. Both of these issues may boost prices in the next 4 to 5 weeks. Gold closed last week at $1365.97 and opened this week at $1373.70, continuing this morning. For ORIC trading today, it is recommended considering a call option when the price hits $1380.20, to consider a put option when the price hits $1372.90. The Australian dollar continued a steady period of strength against the US dollar ahead of what could be a big week for the Aussie. Over the course of the week ahead, Australia is to publish data on new vehicle sales, a leading indicator of consumer confidence. On Tuesday, the Reserve Bank of Australia is to release the minutes of its latest policy meeting, which contain valuable insights into economic conditions from the bank's perspective. And finally, on Thursday, Australia is to publish an index of leading economic indicators. While other currencies grow stronger, the real question is what impact will this have on the bond buying program and when the Fed will be starting its eventual demise. Bernanke cannot ignore what is going on in foreign markets. Australian to US dollar closed Friday at 0.9140 and ascended to 0.9207, continuing this morning. For Aussie trading today, it is recommended considering a call option when the price hits 0.9259 and to consider a put option when the price hits 0.9184. Apple Incorporated is expecting operations in China. The California-based smartphone maker recently added over 200 job openings for China's market on LinkedIn. Apple hopes that the move will increase the country's interest in iPhones and iPads. Worldwide, smartphones recently only just over half of the total cell phone market, generating massive potential for future growth. China could be the key to Apple Inc.'s future expansion. Apple remained strong over the last week, rising from $454.45 and finally closing at $502.33. For Apple trading today, it is recommended considering a call option when the price hits $503.10 and to consider a put option when the price hits $494.20. Today in the market, Australia is releasing the Reserve Bank of Australian Monetary Policy meeting minutes. This is a record of the bank's most recent policy-setting meeting, containing in-depth insights into the economic conditions that influence the rate decision. This report will show the direction the Australian government is planning for the Australian dollar for the near future. Tune in today at 9:30 GMT and get ready to trade the Aussie. I'm Amy Anderson. Tune in Monday to Friday right here on my channel and at OptionRally.com. See you tomorrow.